Welcome to our tannery. Today, I'll show you exactly how raw crocodile skin is transformed into the world's most luxurious.
This section here, the pattern is excellent.
Agreed. We can grade this
In this as first quality.
The tanning agents are essential for preserving the raw hides. They penetrate the fibers, stabilizing the material. Every skin is shaved to a precise thickness and bleached to create a perfect canvas for color. Every inch is inspected to ensure it meets the highest luxury standards.
And that's how we craft the world's finest leather, from raw hide to luxury finish.